talking about what a call funnel is and how it could potentially book your sales calendars up with qualified meetings. This is my calendar for Monday morning and Monday afternoon. So it all starts with putting ads on Facebook and then Instagram. What an ad could look like is something like this. Whenever a prospect of yours is scrolling on Facebook or Instagram, typically 1 out of every single 5 posts on their feed that they see will be a sponsored post. This is where your ad could get in front of your prospects. And from there, what you want to do is have some type of offer where you're able to capture their attention and then drive that attention onto a landing page. What a landing page is it's a website that really simply explains who you are, what you do, how you could help your prospects. And then if someone is interested, what could they do next? And then just say on this landing page, you have a big button that says apply now or fill out our quiz. On that form or on that quiz, what you'll do is you'll have a series of questions. Depending on how they answer that form, they will either become disqualified or qualified. And the real beauty in this call funnel is that for every single qualified lead that goes through this funnel or this quiz, we are actively telling Facebook and Instagram, hey, show me more prospects like the one that just became qualified. So over time, what happens is Facebook and Instagram will start showing your ad to more qualified people. That is how you can get your cost per lead, cost per booked call down to a very affordable rate. So this is the video. It's fairly short today. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.